Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, I want to share this with you. This is actually my first time filming at this location as well. I just moved here from Texas to Pennsylvania, so everything's still quite chaotic right now in the house. But I thought I would take a break from buying furnitures and miscellaneous things and do a bag review with you since I have received a couple bags from KMM Co. So the first bag I wanted to share with you is this Beige mini from KMM Co. This is their mini size, and the leather on the Beige is pretty thin, but not bad. It still feels durable. And this one was from their Scratch-And-Dent sale, so I'm pretty happy that I was able to snag one from their sales, and so far I don't see any big problem. It has maybe some kind of stain or mark here, but nothing major. So the story on this one, it actually arrived during snowstorm. I think the day before snowstorm, and it was sitting outside. And then the snow hit, and there was like snow accumulating on top of the box. And then the second bag came. The delivery guy the postman actually put the second box on top of the first box that has snow on top. Even though he did put a layer of like a plastic bag on top of the second box to protect the box, but the first box, which was this one, the box was soaked. When I open it up, it has this watermark that soaked through the bag. And now, after a couple of days, it dried okay and totally no issue at all. So I'm pretty happy to tell you that, you know, if you get caught in the rain and your bag got wet, don't worry too much about it. It's likely you're okay. Just let it dry, give it some time. Yeah, now I couldn't tell any difference. The box was totally wet, and I could tell that like the strap was soaked through as well. So this one does come with one inside pocket, and also this leather loop thing, kind of a standard from KMM Co's bag. The second bag I want to show you is this navy tote. This one was from their ready-made sale, so they already make the bag and they were able to ship it out right away, which was great because a lot of time I thought their bag just took too long. When you order, from the time you order to the time you receive, it just took too long. So I'm glad that I was able to buy this one from their ready-made sale. Front back, I guess it doesn't matter since this one, it doesn't come with a button closure, so I will have to get someone to help me to add one because I always prefer to have a button closure, so it just feels more secure when you have your things inside. Inside the tote is pretty standard. One pocket and their leather loop here. So these two bags almost came at the same times, and this time I'm pretty happy with my purchase, especially this blue leather tote. The leather feels much thicker. It's that kind of leather that I love, and thick and durable. Overall, I'm really happy with these two bags that I got from KMM, and I'm sure I will order more from them because they have some fun color, especially the yellow one, the mustard color. I think those yellow color just so bright and warm, and just look at it, it just makes me feel happy. So I think I'm considering getting a yellow bag this year, even though yellow is not really a color that I usually wear. But anyway, I'm glad I'm able to get back to my routine and start doing video for you guys again, because it has been a while from the time I was in Texas. The trip was challenging, but it made up good stories. So, and now I'm busy buying furnitures, home items, and I just rescued this begonia plants from Lowe's. So if you are interested in seeing more video about my home decor or even house plant, you have any question about house plant, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you again soon.